Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are in the best of your health and preparing for your MA English exams. Today I am here with the summary of a play Tara by Mahesh Dattani. Stay tuned till the end of the video and you will be able to revise this play from MEG 7 in an easier way. Tara is a two-act play which is written by Mahesh Dattani. It is a story about a girl named Tara who always wanted to twinkle and shine as a star, but she faced gender discrimination throughout her life. Mahesh Dattani is 62 years old. He is a famous Indian writer, director, actor, and a playwright. He was born on 7th August 1958 in Bangalore, India, and some of his famous works are as follows: Final Solutions, Dance Like a Man, 30 Days, Tara. He has won awards like Sahitya Academy Award and Sahitya Kala Parishad Award. Main characters of the play are as follows: Tara, who is a main female protagonist, Bharti is Tara's mother, Chandan is Tara's brother, Patel is Tara's father, Rupa is Tara's friend, and Dr. Thakkar. Tara and Chandan were joint twins, and Dr. Thakkar carried out the surgical separation of these co-joint children. Summary of the play Tara. Chandan is living in London now, and as a writer he decided to write on and about her co-joint sister Tara and her childhood. This play revolves around Chandan and Tara. At present, Chandan is a writer. Chandan is writing a story on his sister Tara's past, and through which Tara's story will also revealed. Chandan gave his writing a name, Twinkling Tara. Tara is already dead before 6 years from now. From Chandan's story, we will get to know about each and everything about Tara, her abilities, her childhood, her life, and also about her death. Bharti and Patel, parents of Tara, were living in Bangalore and had a love marriage. Patel had no relations with his family members because of having love affair, and as a result he was living with his in-laws in their house. Bharti's father was a rich political leader in Bangalore and Patel was totally dependent on his father-in-law both financially and morally. Patel's family members never talked to him after his marriage with Bharti. After some time, Bharti got pregnant and gave birth to co-joint twins. Dr. Thakkar told them that both co-joints are of different sexes, means one was boy and the other was girl. They have to get separated surgically, but one child will get both the legs and other one will have only one leg. The question was asked from Bharti and Patel, the parents, that of which child they want to have two legs. As we know that we all are living in patriarchal society and gender differences are there prevailing in it, where male child is considered as superior as compared to female child. Because of this reason, these parents also chose their baby boy to have two legs. Both children were surgically separated and Tara was left with one leg only. Gender discrimination is clearly shown here. After this surgery, Tara suffered many health related issues through her life. She was dependent on others and was paralyzed for the whole life. Tara had no friends because of her disability. Bharti somehow managed to arrange a friend for Tara and her name was Rupa. Bharti gave money and chocolates to Rupa for playing with her daughter as a commission. Patel was more attached to Chandan as compared to Tara. Patel wanted to send his son to London for higher education and he was not considerate about Tara's education. Tara's situation was getting worse slowly and her mother was pleading guilt. Bharti considered herself to be the reason of Tara's disability. She decided to donate her kidney to her daughter. Bharti donated her kidney to Tara, but after this transplant, Tara suffered more illnesses and died eventually. Chandan was really sad after her death. He loved her sister very much. After Tara's death, Chandan immigrated to London and became a writer there. He also thought himself as the reason of his sister's suffering. Chandan was also in guilt as his mother. He felt because of Tara only he is healthy and normal. Some of the main themes of the play are as follows. First is gender discrimination, second is parents' authority and injustice to women, and third is guilt. Gender discrimination was clearly shown in the play as the leg which belonged to Tara was given to the male child Chandan. In our society, males are considered superior as compared to females. Gender differentiation was done on the part of their education also. Injustice was done to Tara by her parents only, and they favored their baby boy, and Tara lost her life because of that. Guilt was felt in the end after seeing Tara's disabilities and sufferings by her parents and brother. This middle class family somehow knew that injustice was done to Tara by them. So, with this, our video has come to an end. I believe that you all have easily understood the topic. Link to the written notes is given in the description box. Like, share, and comment on the video, and subscribe the channel for more video updates. Thank you and have a nice day.